you have ever tired saving money only to watch it sit down doing nothing, this video is for you. Today I will show you the best way to save money and earn interest on it. It's not scam, it's not capping, it's just the strategy that works. So grab your notebook and stay with me till the very end, and I will be sharing some bonus tips that will help you do that. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel where we help you take control of your money, build wealth with wisdom, and find financial peace. Before we dive in, if you're ready to master your money and unlock your full potential, hit the like button, subscribe to Chioma TV Ring, and turn on your notification bell so you'll never miss a powerful insight. Now let's dive right in. Let's start with the truth. Putting your money in a regular savings account is like hiding your money under the mattress. Most traditional banks offer less than 1% interest, and nothing compared to inflation that's eating up your money every day. Here's what happens. You save hundreds or thousands. Next year, it's worth less because the price of goods have gone up. But your money hasn't. So saving is not enough. You need your saving to work for you. You need high-yield savings account to be able to earn. One of the safest, smartest way to save and earn interest is using a high-yield savings account. This account offers up to 4 to 5% annual interest. In some platforms, it offers more than that. This platform are designed to help you save automatically, and it even gives you daily and monthly interest updates. Comment below which country you recommend the best high-yield savings account platform for you. Saving money is hard when you're doing it manually. Yes, that is why you need some help to help you. That's where automated saving app comes in. You set it up and forget it. This is how it works. You link your account, set rules, round up every purchases, and you save daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what you want. You don't have to be rich to start. You just have to be consistent. Now, the next one is Treasury bill, bonds, and fixed deposits. If you want guaranteed return, consider fixed income options like Treasury bill, fixed deposit, government bonds. This has way of making your money work for you. This option offers 5 to 12% returns depending on the country and the duration. Like in Nigeria, my country, you can get 10 to 14% return with a 1-year Treasury bill. In the US, iBond have offered 6 to 9% recently. Always go through verified bank government portal or app like InvestNow, Trove, or Bamboo for safety. This is where it gets exciting. Investing while saving. Some platforms let you grow your money while keeping it liquid. Put 70% of your money in a high-yield savings account. Invest 30% in low ETF mutual fund. Reinvest your profit every 3 months or 6 months. Use some app like Bamboo or Africa and so other apps to do that. Let your money grow while you sleep. Your money should never sleep. Make it work for you. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to grow their savings. And don't forget, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Comment below with I am ready to make my money work for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Chioma Media, light in the storm, bringing truth and fire, keeping hearts warm.